President Emmerson Mnangagwa of Zimbabwe has arrived at the inauguration of Botswana's 6th President Duma Boko in Gaborone. This historic event marks a significant transition in Botswana's leadership as Duma Boko's Umbrella for Democratic Change coalition won the election, ending early 60 years of Botswana Democratic Party. According to reports, Mnangagwa's presence at the inauguration was met with a negative reception from the Botswana people who booed at him. Despite this, Mnangagwa's attendance underscores the importance of maintaining good relations with neighboring countries. Meanwhile, Nick Mangwana posted on his X account that His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa has arrived back in the country from Gaborone, where he attended the inauguration of Botswana's 6th President Duma Boko. And then that's when the former tourism minister, Dr. Walter Mzembi, commented that that was quick. Hapagariki zvifana zvange zvakawandisa unopedzisira wadhumana na comrade Ostalos nerimwe genga iro risina matyira. So let's get to hear what you think about all these.